Everyone, now we'll see what is ID selector. Actually, there are two types of selector in CSS, that is cascading style sheet, ID selector and class selector. In this example, uh, we'll see ID selector. The ID selector is what? That it is unique within a web page. Means we cannot apply the style to another element. Only to that element we can apply. Okay, so we'll see the program. See, for ID selector, you can use in any type of CSS like internal, inline, or external. So I had used here internal CSS. Internal CSS is declared by style tag within head section. ID selector always starts with hash sign. You have to give any name after that. So hash sign is followed by the ID name. I had given name as A, and CSS is always defined by curly bracket. Okay, you have to enclose curly bracket, and within a curly bracket you have to write all the properties and values. So I had used color blue and border having width 10 pixel, style of border double, and color of border green. Now this wherever I had used the name, it will be applied only. Now here, as uh, ID selector is unique, I cannot apply to another element, so only once I can apply. So I had applied here to H2. So I am using the name ID is equal to A. So what it does, ID selector selects ID attribute and it apply the style to this element. So to H2 only it will apply, not here, because I had not used here in P tag, I had not used ID is equal to A. Now this A and A in H2, this ID selector selects its name, okay, having ID attribute. Okay, so here we'll see output. So this is output. This is heading is affected by ID selector having blue color, as I had used blue color in declaration. Border, ID selector is unique within web page and it is always written by hash sign followed by ID name. So I had used a name. You can give any name to ID, but where you want to apply, you have to give the name after that in any element. Okay, so hope you understood. And in this paragraph tag, this ID selector is not affected. Thank you. Hope you understood this. Thank you.